Welcome to EDU World Space.
So in this video, we're going to work through question 46 from chapter 20, which says tin forms compounds in the +2 and +4 oxidation states. Therefore, when tin reacts with fluorine, two products are possible. Write balanced equations for the production of the two tin halide compounds and name them. So we're talking about the reaction between tin, SN, and fluorine, F2. And we know we're going to form a tin fluoride, but it depends what our oxidation state is on tin, what tin fluoride that is. So when tin has a +2 oxidation state, we have a +2 charge on our tin, and our anion, our fluoride ion, takes a -1 charge because it's one of our halogens. In this case, it's a halide. So our halogens tend to react to gain one electron in order to have the more stable noble gas configuration, so they take a -1 charge. So we have +2 and -1, so we need two of our anions in order to counter the charge on our cation. So we have SnF2. And so this chemical equation is already balanced since we have one tin atom on both sides of the equation and two fluorine atoms on both sides of the equation. And now we need to name them. So this is tin, and then because tin can take more than one different oxidation state, we need to indicate what the oxidation state is on tin in this particular compound. So in this particular compound, the oxidation state is 2, so I'm going to put a Roman numeral 2 in parentheses after tin, and then this is fluoride. So we have 10,2-fluoride. Then we again have the same reagents. We have tin and we have fluorine. And this time they're going to form a different tin fluoride. And this time the oxidation state on tin, on Sn, is going to be +4. So because the charge on our anion, our fluoride ion, is -1, and the charge on our cation is +4, we're going to need 4 of our anion to counter the charge on our cation. So the formula for this compound is SnF4. But now we have 4 fluorine atoms on the right-hand side of our equation and only 2 on the left-hand side of our equation. So we need to go ahead and put a coefficient of 2 in front of our F2, our fluorine, and then we need to name our product. So this is also tin fluoride, but the only difference between this and the tin 2 fluoride is that tin has an oxidation state of 4 rather than 2. So we put a Roman numeral 4 in parentheses after tin, and we have tin 4-fluoride.